Do our unboxing of our new winglets for the Stage 2 Aero. It's going to go on to the Corvette. And we're going to take a look at them and see how these babies look. That's beautiful. It's in carbon flash, metallic winglets. That's going to go on the back of the Vette. There's one. And the tapes. I can see I have a bunch of nuts here. There we go. That one looks beautiful as well. There we go. To change out the wicker bills. Put on Aero Stage 2 Aero in our Corvette here. I have the new piece right here. It's going to go on like so. We're going to work on putting that on and getting the old one off. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to unscrew the old one. And I'm going to use a towel here just to try to protect my bolts a little bit. Although I do have new ones that are coming, are part of the kit. But that just keeps it from scratching it up. Pull these out. This next part is going to be a little bit tougher because it's stuck on with some adhesives. Pressure on it slowly. Let it slowly start to break loose. Back end here, that piece just came loose. I'm going to use a little. There she's going. Slowly. I'll slowly pull on it. I can see that gum in there. can see it there, so I can just start kind of cutting it a little bit with this knife. Which is allowing me to just keep pulling it open. And we drop it like that. All right, so that's my small one. And this is gonna be the bigger one that we're gonna put back on. I guess we're just gonna have to roll this off. Coming off pretty good. Just kind of rolling it. Rolling that gum up. I've seen other people take these off and they fought this a whole lot worse, so let's not hold our breath too bad here. I'm going to wash that off a little bit. There we go. I'll fit this a little bit. Make sure everything lines up. Peel this tape off. And then we're going to eye this back in there, get this right back in that same spot. And that's it, right there. And I'm going to put the old ones back in because the new ones are the old ones. I got to get the little papers out. Are Torx, which I like, instead of Phillips. That little towel's still stuck in there, so I'll just go get me a little pick here in a minute and I'll clean that out. That one doesn't have any more. I'm just going to use the little razor blade just to get that little paper towel out.